This is the second video in the series about the accusative case, and today we're going to discuss adjectives in singular. Hello, this is Anna. I'm a Russian language teacher from New York City. It's very nice to see you on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen the video about the accusative case nouns singular, please watch it first. If you have, then let's continue. We're going to start with feminine adjectives. We said that all nouns in accusative case in feminine singular will end in u. For adjectives, simply combine those two letters, so we'll get the endings ую and юю. For example, I am reading an interesting book. Интересная книга. It will become Я читаю интересную книгу. Я is the subject, интересную книгу is the object, so I change both adjective and noun. Or I know this beautiful woman. Это красивая женщина. The phrase will become Я знаю эту красивую женщину. So, ую, ю. To memorize this ending, try to imagine a girl who is accusing you of something, and she says, it's you, it's you who did this. So, ую, ю, and ую are the feminine endings for accusative case. Second, masculine. You remember that for nouns, we divided masculine into inanimate and animate. And of course, we do the same things for adjectives. We did not change masculine inanimate in accusative case, so we will not change masculine inanimate adjectives as well. I bought a new phone. Я купила новый телефон. Новый remains unchanged, so it's the same as the nominative case, as the adjectives the way you learned it. Or I'm eating delicious salad. Я ем вкусный салат. Салат is unchanged, so вкусный is also unchanged. For masculine adjectives animate, the endings are ово, ево. We spell ого, его, but pronounce with v. For example, I know this smart person. Этот умный человек is this smart person. The phrase becomes Я знаю этого умного человека. So, умный, I remove the last two letters, y, and replace them with ово, умного. Этот, этого. And человек takes the a, человека. Or, she loves her younger brother. Ее младший брат. Она любит своего младшего брата. So, брат got the a, брата. Младший became младшего. Sh is the letter which is usually followed by the second ending, его. And pay attention that ее changed for свой, своего, because she loves her own brother, right? Subject and object belong to each other. So we have to use the special word свой, своего. As you remember, neutral nouns did not change in accusative case, so neutral adjectives will remain unchanged as well. I bought a new dress. Я купила новое платье. Or I ate a sweet apple. Я ела сладкое яблоко. Pay special attention to the question words who and what. In accusative case, кто becomes кого. Кого она любит? Who does she love? Что stays the same? Что ты купил? What did you buy? It's really easy to remember the ending of masculine adjectives if you look at the question word. Кого? Кого has the ово as the ending, right? That's why we have кого? Моего, твоего, умного, красивого, хорошего, интересного, etc. And that's actually a little trick you should know. If you want to memorize the adjective endings for masculine, always look at the question word. But you can also ask questions like, which book did you read? What kind of book did you read? Or which brother does she love? Etc. So you will have to use the question word какой, and какой is also changed in cases. So какой in masculine animate will become какого. We can get back to the previous example. She loves her brother. Она любит своего младшего брата. So I will ask, which brother does she love? Maybe she has two. Какого брата она любит? So какого accepts the case, the accusative case of the adjective that it replaces, that it substitutes. In our case, it's младшего. Какого брата она любит? Or, who does she love? Кого она любит? Or, for example, I'm reading an interesting book. And you will be like, which book are you reading? Какую книгу ты читаешь? Интересную was an accusative case. So, какую takes, accepts this case. Какую книгу ты читаешь? Alright, now let's have some practice. Please translate both questions and answers and write them in the comments below so that I could check them. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for being with me. If you find this video useful, please let me know with your likes and comments. And I will see you in the next video. Спасибо. Пока.